I think now in this generation coming up, it's cool to see that there isn't that, wow, they're a girl, or like, I mean, this is like our field, which I think is really cool. I think there shouldn't be a lens by which we see anybody. I'm Elise Noel Oliver. I didn't even know I'd be doing game design 2 years ago. I was thinking I would still be designing water bottle labels or something. The design process is almost like you're immersed in the world. That's what really gets me going. And I would love to be able to put my own art and see my own ideas become a fully fleshed out game. It's not really something I notice or I think about much until someone points it out, because I think geek culture has been very balanced out, male and female now.
In a field so highly dominated by women, I think I bring unique experiences, I bring unique opinions. My name is Tyler Schessler. I decided to switch over to nursing because I wanted to take the next step in my scope of practice. Both my parents are nurses as well, so they inspire me to keep going and reach higher. What I enjoy best is getting to help patients and their families, which is a big piece of it. You can really bring comfort to people who are having some of the most difficult times of their life.
I feel like I got lucky. Like in this program, I went in with a very unique group. You know, I had people from all sorts of different backgrounds. I'm Joseph Isaac. I'm in the dental hygiene program at Lake Washington. What keeps me going is definitely the ability to make people smile. That's a personal goal of mine, to try to get a patient to smile, you know, sometime during the appointment. I haven't felt any different. It's felt like I fit in. Like most people in the program shared the same personality, same goals. So I felt very in place.
As far as our professors, one of our teachers is in his 70s, but he doesn't project that onto people. He's not thinking that because you're this, you'll be better in that. It's just you come with what skill set you have, and he just pushes you further in whatever you currently know.
Being in a predominantly female career field and program has been very informative for me. One of the best parts of our classroom and lab experiences is the instructors that I've had have strong nursing backgrounds from very different areas.
As classmates and with instructors as well, we share what we've learned, and it's a collaborative effort rather than sitting in a lecture. People hate the dentist. And so when you develop that relationship, and once they open up, you know, you can get a lot done. Like you can really help them out, and that's huge.
LWTech has prepared me for the career field. It's not just making your skills amazing and then pushing you out. They're focused on all aspects. They really encourage diversity because that's the whole thing that we're promoting. The majority of the people in that field just want to make a cool experience.